Howdy, I'm Mr. J. Today we're talking about the Asian markets. It's our advanced video for Friday, June the 20th, 2025, and it's centered on Asia. It's definitely bad news. Let's see how this could be good. Let's go down to our word list, though. We have Asia, US, Iran, right? Iran. We have oil. I think of that as one syllable, oil, barrel, nuclear, missiles, okay, missiles, drones just one, president, sorry, jumping out of my my program there. Let's just go up and do this starting with president, okay, president, interest, currency, inflation, markets, cautious, and third, just one syllable. Okay, let's look at this. Markets across Asia are struggling this week because of fears the U.S. might get involved in the Iran-Israel conflict. Oil prices rose for a third straight week. Brent crude is around $77 per barrel, even after dipping slightly on Friday. Israel bombed Iran's, right? I've heard lots of different pronunciations of this among English speakers. Nuclear sites. And Iran, I'll just say Iran, hit back with missiles and drones. U.S. President Trump said he'll decide within 2 weeks whether to act, which makes investors nervous, right? The Bank of England kept its interest rates steady, with other banks in Switzerland and Norway cut theirs, while other banks in Switzerland and Norway cut theirs, In the currency market, the dollar fell against the yen after Japan's inflation rose. Gold prices slipped and U.S. share futures dropped a bit. People say if the U.S. enters the war, global markets could fall sharply. For now, investors are cautious. So maybe Trump will help Israel attack Iran. It's like a big bomb. And if that happens, then things might change, right? Prices of oil might go up and markets will really go down a lot more. So right now, people don't know what's going to happen. And so still markets are going down and oil is going up, but it may be a very big change if that happens. Why are markets in Asia struggling? Well, I just told you. How many weeks has oil prices been rising? What did Israel bomb in Iran? What did Japan's inflation cause? And how are investors behaving now? Okay. All right, this week we're doing game words. Our first word, today's game word, first meaning play. Play, I mean, everyone knows what play is, right? Children play, play soccer, play a board game, play a computer game, right? But here, the second play, what play are we talking about? It's like a Shakespearean play, right? Play, game meaning play, gameplay. To take part in a game or sport for fun or competition. So take part. But here, non-game meaning play, a live performance or story acted out on stage like in a theater. Okay, so a performance. Take part, a performance. Pronunciation, easy enough. Play. Here you see the official spelling, right? lay, play. You pronounce it like that. One syllable. The children went outside to play soccer in the park, and we watched a play at the theater about a famous king. Sounds like Shakespeare to me. All right. Sao Paulo, Brazil, tomorrow has a high temperature of 24 and a low of 12, and there will be clear skies throughout the day. Ottawa, Canada, high of 19 and a low of 14, with morning showers turning to partly sunny skies. And Mumbai, India, high of 29, a low of 25, and it's heavy monsoon rain. It will have heavy monsoon rain and high humidity, monsoon season, right? Here in Korea, too, it's starting to rain a lot more. All right, guys, we talked about the weather, we talked about play, and we talked about Asian markets going a little, right? A little zigzaggy, all right? Because we don't know what Trump's going to do in Iran. That's it for today. It's Friday. I hope everyone has a good weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye.